disappears, so white, so calm beyond the fears. A silence deep, untouched, awake, that loves the trembling for its sake. Fear is not wrong, it is not foe, it's simply energy and flow. A wave that comes to set me free, a moment teaching how to be. No meaning left, no tale to keep. The storm dissolves, the waters sleep, and what was fear becomes the door to peace that asks for nothing.